A resting boat, warm skies, and a calm evening. So I started with a plain wash of cadmium yellow, letting it flow freely around the area where I wanted the light to stay focused. Once it settled, I mixed in a bit of cadmium orange to build up that soft, glowing warmth. Then came the sky, painted with a mix of crimson and thicker pigment to form those glowing sunset clouds. I know real clouds don't look exactly like this, but exaggerating tones and colors makes a painting come alive. To give them more character, I added darker touches in between and spread some of that warmth onto the ground to suggest reflections on wet land. After letting the paper dry, I started painting the boat, the heart of this piece. Boats are always tricky for me, especially getting their proportions right. Using the same warm tones, only thicker, I began shaping the boat slowly, giving it that weathered wooden look. Then came the little cabin, with a couple of windows, a small flag on top, and rails running along the roof. I kept a few areas unpainted to show the light passing gently through the windows. Along the way, I added fine details on the dried layers to define the planks and structure. Next, I deepened the ground beneath the boat, painting the shadow with darker tones, leaving tiny unpainted patches to hint at reflection. A few bold brush strokes and splatters gave texture, suggesting small stones and uneven sand. Once everything was dry, I finished with delicate white highlights, straight from the pigment tube, just enough to bring the painting to life. This artwork isn't about movement or waves. It's about the pause in between. A reminder that even in stillness, there's warmth, there's beauty, and there's always the quiet promise of the next tide.